room tour of room 618 at Courtyard Oceanside in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. As soon as you come in, you have a closet that has a safe, an iron, your ironing board, a luggage stand. Then you have the bathroom. Nice shower head. Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The door slides. Right across from the bathroom, you have a full-length mirror. These are complimentary beach and pool towels. Across from that, you have a little coffee stand with a coffee maker, wine bottle opener, a little mini fridge. This is a 2 queen room, so there's 2 queen beds. Beside the bed, a little place to put your phone. Here's another place that you can put your suitcases. 2 drawers. You have your workspace desk area and the TV. You have your stand in between the beds. You have your clock, has 2 plugs, a USB and a USB-C. Your second bed. More drawers and counter space. So there's 4 of these. There's also a chair, small stand, and light. And on this side of the bed, you have another little light and plug for cell phones and laptops only. This is a harbor view room. Right down here is Coconuts and G&B Oyster Bar. We ate dinner there last night and it was so good. If you look over to your left, there's 3 cruise ships in port today. There's the Disney Dream, which is the ship we will be getting on. And then there's Jewel of the Seas and a celebrity ship. The International Swimming Hall of Fame is right there. And at the end of that parking lot, the Fort Lauderdale ferry for the water taxi. There's a stop there. As part of your resort fees in this room, you get $17 food credit and complimentary water taxi tickets for 2. Two beach chairs and Wi-Fi. Again, this is a 2 queen room, harbor view at the Courtyard Oceanside, Fort Lauderdale. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please contact me at Nicole@swanandsparrowtravel.com for all of your travel needs. Thanks.